What is up, Snoop? It's time to push on my hyperware.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna turn it down a little, turn the graphics down a little bit.
No, we don't. Just normal.
What is normal?
Like in the middle. Okay,
Right.
go to browse level.
Browse low. Not to play.
I want this month.
And then top rated.
I usually go by play count.
I don't.
Okay.
Dimensions. But oh, I Devil 360. Very good rated.
Okay, we're gonna be switching every
person.
turn. Wyatt starting off.
Okay.
Ooh, this is a nice sunshine.
Oh my God! Darkness. This is like Avatar.
I wonder why they call it hard rain.
It's slow. It's slow.
I wonder why they call it hard rain.
Okay. Oh, go. It's Mario level. Mario Part.
Is that a mustache?
Collect 2 of them.
Collect
to
2
fight
mustaches.
the boss. Okay. What is this?
It's Japanese anime.
Well, that's a weird door.
Monster.
Ow!
Okay, it's my turn.
Didn't tell me to stay there.
Stay.
That's not fair.
Okay. I don't even want to play this level with. Yeah! Happy sunshine.
Then we'll wake up in the morning, sun smiles at me.
Oh God!
Then it turns real dark and scares me. Then jump off a hill and crushy things.
Oh no, my
break
feet!
my feet!
No!
Face.
That was terrible.
Yeah. Gonna jump off the hill. Oh, darkness. Scared of darkness.
What's all this darkness?
Just run. Run. Go. I can do it.
I already know the backstory for this. It's like a giant Satan going like, 1,000 years of darkness if you don't defeat the boss and collect 2 mustaches.
Collect 2 mustaches. I got
No,
started.
stay there. Stay
Oh,
there.
Yeah. Go. Oh.
Alright.
I have 3 seconds. Ah!
Your foot!
Go back. Okay, that was kind of.
I don't think that's 1 time. I think it's like 2 times.
So you just got the Star of David. How to beat the boss? Touch his body without touching his attacking moving leg. If you will die if you touch it. You touch his face. Did I do it?
Think so?
Or am I going to hell?
I think you're going to hell.
Oh, I didn't. Punch him in the
You
face.
raped little boys. What do you think is gonna happen?
I did it! Oh, look at Super Meat Boy down there. He's so cute! Ah.
Okay, come on. Next level.
Okay, next level. Kick it.
Stop. Hammer
Hammer time.
time.
A big shot. There's no doubt. Light a fire.
Okay, guys, you're about to see my amazing.
Just for a minute, let's all do it. Oh.
Yes.
Yes!
How do I go?
Up. Does it just move by itself, I guess?
Bam!
Oh, okay, you missed it.
Oh,
Okay.
bam! Oh, dang it.
You're just
Oh,
missing
bam! Oh, bam! Okay, I'm coming,
Tom.
humans.
You can't stop me. I'm a clock you. Like the UFO shit is kind of broken, like right there. Oh, lag. Stop it.
White and black people should never be together. Bam!
Take that, you butt.
Oh yeah.
I like it.
It's a sunshine and happy day on a black TV. Bam! Get out of here, Santa.
Damn, reach shape limit. Reach shape limit. Next level, kick it.
It's still my turn, technically. I'm joking.
Break out. Smack the back. Nobody escape. I got this. Break out. I'm gonna die. Break it. No. Break it. I'm alive. I can do it. Stupid paws, get out of my way.
Come on, vault it. Guys, don't know what vaulting is. You're completely retarded.
I can do it. I'm almost there. Yeah, I did it. I cheated. Oh, Trico. That's my favorite Pokemon.
What?
Name's Trico.
What? How?
I hate that Pokemon.
Immortal.
Well, there's your turn.
Oh, whatever. Come on.
Oh, there's my turn.
I'm not taking no for
Oh,
an
there's
answer.
your turn. Oh, that's my turn.
I'm not taking no for an answer. Told you guys. Look at. I never take no for an answer.
But now it's,
Here,
oh,
hold
there it
that
goes.
first.
Whoa, it's a ninja guy.
Why do I always get the cool ones?
I don't know. Wait, what do you do? What? What?
Yeah, it's a little laggy, but I'll take it.
Is he a midget?
Look at me! Oh god, I can't even. It's lagging so bad. I'm sorry. Looks like pictures. Oh god. I feel like I'm raping. If you guys hear that noise. Oh god. This is just a terrible level. Oh god. Oh god.
Sounds like someone.
I have to end it at Santa.
Period.
Okay, I'm doing a different. Not difficult.
Not that important. It's probably very high level class and it's gonna break. We need to find a radio. Buy a gun from that chalk outline over there.
Yeah. What?
I think Dempsey something.
Oh no! Zombie!
Can you shoot your gun? Space?
No, space is jump.
Oh.
It'll shoot, watch. I'll show you.
Probably shoot like as a trigger. Hello, I'm trapped in Brook. I need help. It's north of your position and bring vodka.
Yay.
Oh, you have a freaking machine gun now.
Yeah,
Pretty
that's what I
good
thought.
map.
Come on.
And you broke it.
Come on. Yeah. Come on. We're just going up. Not, you know, we're not in a hurry. Oh, yeah! Take that! It's a little laggy. It's fine. Oh, scope. Car 98. Who would ever want that?
Terrible people. I kind of want to play zombies now. Bye, guys. I'm going to go play zombies.
Oh, yeah, right. Oh, my
Okay,
God.
shoot from behind them, I guess.
Wait, no, I think there's somebody behind me. Why would I go that way? I'm going this way. Sure, survival this way. That's it?
Goodbye, guys. Let's get into this episode.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Yeah, goodbye. Don't get it so close.